7 aircraft are approaching for the Goose to double diamond loop. Watch the 2 inner pilots and the 2 outer pilots as they slide into position during the formation change. Throughout this maneuver, the wings of each aircraft are separated by only 1 meter. Snowbird pilot is the ability to rejoin in formation. In a demonstration of this skill, watch as the 2 solos rejoin the main formation as the 7 planes adopt the feather formation in the right-hand turnaround. From the right and have changed to Big Diamond for the classic Big Diamond roll. Demonstrate a formation named after the famous 4-engine British aircraft, the Vulcan. The team will once again change formation in preparation for the rollback maneuver. Watch as the 2 outer, 2 solo, and 2 inner pilots perform simultaneous rolls while in close formation. Topside view. Preparing for the card 9 to Big Arrow to Big Diamond loop. Watch as the formations change throughout the loop. At the bottom of the loop, the Snowbirds will perform a Big Diamond bottom side profile pass. the champagne formation for a topside silhouette. The Snowbirds have changed to Big Diamond for the magnificent Canada Burst. The team would like to dedicate this maneuver to all the citizens of Lethbridge here today, as well as all the other performers here this weekend. Part of this team in either the air crew or the ground crew, or perhaps you would prefer a career with the Army or the Navy. The challenge is there. Join the team, learn a skill, and build yourself a good life and a career with the Canadian Forces. For more information on entry plans, requirements, and opportunities, contact your local recruiting center. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, before the team returns for their final pass of the show, I would like to direct your attention straight ahead and take this opportunity to introduce our aircraft technicians who keep the aircraft flying. Snowbird 1 Alpha, the crew chief, Sergeant Pete Henry of Bathurst, New Brunswick. Snowbird 2 Alpha, on video, Corporal Gary Lecourtois of Saint-Godefroy, Quebec. Snowbird 3 Alpha, Corporal Ken Marsiski of McCreary, Manitoba. Snowbird 4 Alpha, Corporal Darcy Monahan of Summerside, Prince Edward Island. Snowbird 5 Alpha, Corporal Ian McLean of Swift Current, Saskatchewan. Snowbird 6 Alpha, Corporal Greg Turcott of Trenton, Ontario. Snowbird 7 Alpha, Corporal Troy Bartlett of Grand Bank, Newfoundland. Snowbird 8 Alpha, Corporal Peter Duick of Elm Creek, Manitoba. Snowbird 9 Alpha, the Deputy Crew Chief, Master Corporal Marco Asselin of Saint-Séméon de Charlevoix, Quebec. Snowbird 10 Alpha, Corporal Brian Dahl of Warman, Saskatchewan. Snowbird 12 Alpha, our supply technician, Corporal Margaret McPherson of Ormocto, New Brunswick. And Snowbird 12, the Team Logistics Officer, Captain Mike Perry of Sydney, British Columbia, flying with Snowbird 2 today. Once again, get your cameras ready as the Snowbirds return from the right for their final pass. They will perform the Snowbird pitch. And ground crew will be signing autographs at the autograph tent once the aircraft have landed and shut down. You have now witnessed the 1,514th show in Snowbird's history. On behalf of the commanding officer and team members of 431 Air Demonstration Squadron, we thank you very much and hope you've enjoyed today's performance.
and gentlemen, Canada's national military aviation treasure, the Snowbirds. What a great performance again this afternoon at the 1997 Lethbridge Chrysler International Airshow. Everybody's been wondering about the winner of the club car golf cart. We do have a winner, Senator